Imagine, because every time you come round here, there's always folk chilling on them benches. Oh, weird. It's what that, that's a Lord fire.
Brum biker, yeah, na 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 na. Ooh. This is a Brum biker, Brum rider. Give your bike a rev, then put down your visor. Yeah.
We're outside again. Yaga yo, we're outside again. Again. Yes, family, we're just having a little bit of a cruise now. So we're Water Road bound. We're heading down to, I don't know, Lozal's, Handsworth-ish. Little circle. POV style. Yeah, family, the weather is, it's actually nice. I can't lie, it's actually beautiful today. This is my kind of weather, man. It's not cold, it's not piping hot. It's just a nice, nice pleasant temperature, man. Where you don't have to wear a jacket and then thing there when you're walking on the street. Get me? To be honest, this is the kind of weather I would actually, on a little short run round a corner or something, jump on my bike with a flipping t-shirt on me. Yeah, I don't recommend it. This is not safety advice. You get me? The views and opinions of Brum Bike does not. How does the saying go again? I can't remember. Do not take my thing as safety advice. Is that the correct thing? I can't remember. That's what I was meant to ask. Does anyone know any local Midlands decent priced used bike forecourt place? If so, let me know. Oh yeah. And time is just pressing on, man. Flipping on. How long have I been out for now? Probably been out now. Actually, it hasn't even been an hour yet. I was right up my back, so you go on. Yeah, you go on. Thank you, be nice. I can go in the flipping bus line now. What are we doing? How are we doing it? And that's the thing, you know, sometimes when you drive cars and you jump on a bike, sometimes you keep forgetting. You can switch codes. Those are the bus lanes we can use on the bike, innit? Obviously in the car, you get catch, you're getting clipped, mate. Ay, ay, ay. I think the driver likes bikes. Look at him, he looks all happy. You good? That was fully skilling teeth, you know. So, first stop, Heathfield Road. Might as well just go up there, see what the crack is. No pun intended. Imagine, because every time you come round here, there's always folk chilling on them benches. Oh, wait, is what that? That's a Lord fire. No, it's not bad. I'll let y'all see for yourselves. Yeah, I don't know what's happening there. Yeah. So Yasa is where we call Villa Cross. Come on, lights. Yeah, man. Heathfield Road, Villa Cross, and now this is Soho Road. But we're not going to go up Soho Road, because what I'm going to do, family, I'm going to show you something really special. Like, some people don't know about this place. If you want to know about this place, I'm going to take you guys to. Stay tuned for the next video. If you're new to the channel, don't forget, like, share, comment, subscribe. If you're not a member already, become a member. Look at all the perks. If you wanted to say a little donation, hit the PayPal. We out.
Brum biker, yeah. Na 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 na. Ooh. This is a Brum biker, Brum rider. Give your bike a rev, then put down your visor. Yeah.
We're outside again.